Imagine that you've bought a new apartment. It's empty walls and now you need to furnish it to make it possible to live there. Sometimes you don't have time to do everything on your own, so you hire the design company to make it for you. They come up with great ideas, but there are a lot of options. Say you have kitchen, living room, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. Talking about your kitchen, there are at least floor, walls, ceiling, sanitary ware, and furniture to consider. Take furniture. Do you want an integrated kitchen furniture or separate? You discuss it for a while. Okay, let it be integrated. What is the color then? You say you like dark natural wood ones. Then decide on which exactly among possible options. Good. What are the kitchen appliances, electronics that you'll fit into your kitchen? Do you want an electrical oven or the gas one? With a sensor panel or not? How big do you need your fridge? 2 compartments, fridge and a freezer? How big is the freezer then? Talking about sanitary ware, stainless steel sink or ceramics? Furniture, wooden tables and chairs or metal or plastic? Wooden or ceramic floor? Wallpaper or paint? Ceiling, lights, more questions. Well, that escalated quickly, and it was a relatively simple matter of a small apartment design. Imagine organizing a wedding, big event. Imagine deciding requirements with a software development company for your next genius mobile application idea that you want to turn into a startup. Imagine it's not just you and the other guy who need to agree on that. What if there are more stakeholders? This is a big customer problem. It is difficult to obtain and manage the requirements, and this problem appears anywhere where we need to decide a complex set of needs for anything, especially when many stakeholders are involved. Me myself is a project manager with 1.5 years working experience in creating websites as an outsourcing team, and I always found requirements gathering process to lack a proper tool, so I decided to come up with a perfect one, and now it's time to make it real. The customers who need this app are software developers, anyone who provides any outsourcing services like turnkey construction, design, event organizing, etc. Policymakers, goods sellers, volunteer organizations, or any people who need to take complex decisions with an extensive hierarchy. So now you know problem and customers, but what are the features of the solution? First, it is going to be a cloud-based application with a web interface and later mobile apps for convenient use on the go. Second, it is going to feature that simple and yet awesome material design with top-notch user experience to be understood even by a kid. Third, easy access control mechanism to allow stakeholders join with a working area and be able to start working on requirements right away after invitation. 4. It will allow convenient hierarchical discussion of requirements, splitting requirements into virtually infinite nested subcategories like it was done manually with a Google Doc before, this way. 5. Notifications. This is the main advancement of this method, a smart system that allows keeping track of what requirements should be defined, commented, or voted by a given user, so that the user, who is your client or the project manager, always knows what else should be discussed. And the last major feature for now, when all the requirements are discussed and finalized, everything is ready to generate the final description document and be ready to put what was discussed to life.